So we will do this now. You tell me, I will do.
Okay.
What did you do? Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
So you have to take one message shape.
We'll go to the cleanse shape process only, no?
Hmm. Okay, that second one. Yeah, below one.
Just a minute. Hello. Hello. పెట్టేసి అజయ్ సెక్రటరీ దగ్గర పెట్టు 455836 836
ఓకే సెక్రటరీ దగ్గర పెట్టాను సార్ తీసేస్తాను.
Yeah, tell me. The first
Yeah.
one or the second one?
Second one.
Okay.
So in the message shape, I have given the data like Boomi, Sakshi, Pune,
Okay, tell me. We will remove this. Sakshi,
comma Boomi,
Homo Bhumi.
um, yeah, comma Pune. Okay, yeah,
That's
that's
it.
it. Mhm.
Okay.
And in
So
the
you want to repeat the data, or what do you do with the data?
repair the data.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
So in the
We need to take a
platform,
profile now. No?
yeah, I have created one profile.
So since
First
we don't
one.
have the profile, we will create the profile now. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the profile. Tell me what shall we
Okay.
do?
Three elements. Add three elements. In that, first is the number, and other two are the character.
Okay. First is a number.
Yeah.
The other two are characters. Got
Character.
it. Nice. Okay. Now, yeah. First is a number. So what should you are repairing the data, no?
Yeah, I have added a default value to 50.
Default value to 50.
50.
Shall I click on OK?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to the first clean path, but click on that shape source data. Yeah, I'm also getting the same 50.
It is the reason is we didn't set the profile correctly. Options, there should be comma.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why maybe. Let me
See,
check.
everything that you create, go through all the tabs. The blind rule in Boomi.
Okay.
Whenever you see a star,
Start
okay,
in
just remember that means the delimited is star in Boomi for everything. Delimited in Boomi is star by default. If you see that, just remember that you didn't put a comma separated thing.
Yes, right. Let me check if it works or not.
It came now. You change now and see.
Yeah. Just a minute, please. Yeah, now it's coming.
So whenever you see that, it's just that only.
Okay, let's move on to the next step.
What should we do?
Let's move on to the next step. Yeah, that's the only issue I'm getting.
It is good that you are practicing. I'm very happy, Sakshi. Because if you do something and it is not providing anything fruitful, I'm very disappointed because every day morning we are putting so much of effort. I'm rushing every day at this time. I usually go to office also at this time, but for this class I'm staying back. And you're also showing a lot of interest, so I'm also excited.
Yeah. Yeah. Last 2 days I'm trying to practice it, but not getting that time. So
No, no
yesterday.
problem. Whenever you process practice,
Ah,
after some time we will keep last 15 minutes for doubts only, because
okay.
logic shapes, if they are done, rest are nothing. We will have some time. Okay, we'll
Mm-hmm.
spend a lot of time out of the 20 days that we will be having sessions. We will spend a lot of time on practice only, because I want you to go become an expert in
Yeah.
logic shapes. If you become an expert in logic shapes, rest all are nothing.
Hmm. Right.
Rest all or nothing. That is why I'm trying to put each step, all the scenarios in production that you see, real time scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to do that.
Yeah. Now this weekend also I will practice and
Definitely,
make
you need to
notes on all
practice. If
those.
there is anything on Monday, we can put a one full hour class and also do.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. Now we have this time. Okay,
Mm.
shall we do again?
Yeah. Business rule. Yes. No, this is done. Okay. You're pasting it. Okay.
Oh, no, no, I'm only taking the data.
Mm-hmm.
Sakshi, Boomi, what is your experience? You said 3.5, right?
Hmm.
Um, right. We'll take one more search. So this Sakshi and this Sakshi are different. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
I am not putting all the try catch and all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in the last class, we discussed about decision shape.
Hmm. Right.
Decision shape, if you see, it only takes care of only one uh, condition check. Okay. If you see
Yeah.
this,
Just true and false. Only one condition.
yes, only one condition. True or false is okay. Only one condition you can check, either equal, not equal, greater, greater than, less than,
Ah.
matches, matches. So this is only one condition check that we are doing. Okay.
Oh.
Now we are trying to do the business solution. Now what happens in this scenario is, if you want to check more than one condition in a data, how do you do that? You don't know that. Okay.
Right.
So if you want to check multiple conditions in a data, in one particular data, you do not have that option in business tool shape. One thing you can do here is in decision. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay. So to check multiple conditions, we'll do business tool shape. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
you, as soon, if you notice, I dragged a business tool shape here on the canvas. It is immediately asking for the profile. Okay.
Hmm.
So you
Okay.
need to select some profile for this, even if you are using or not using. Got it?
Okay. Profile is required.
Profile is mandatory. Even if
Hmm.
you are using that profile or not, also some dummy profile also you can use.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
here we have already one this profile, which
Hmm.
is for data. We have used this. Now as soon as I selected the profile, it is asking a new rule. Rule is like a condition check. There
Hmm.
you had this option of selecting, dropping, matching. Now here there is, it is called as a rule. Okay.
Hmm.
Create a new rule. Inputs, add field P1. Okay. what all fields you need to derive or do that calculation, we add. Okay, field. So we added these two elements. Let us assume that we'll have one more also. We'll take care of P3 also. Okay, so we have used the three conditions here. Three,
So the
we
field
had
which
we had,
which
we
we
had
are going to compare, that we need to add.
exactly correct. You are correct. Now we will add the conditions. Okay,
Hmm.
P1 is Sakshi, right? Equal to,
Hmm.
let us put static value Sakshi. Okay,
Hmm.
I will do this check and see. Huh? So this is done. This is done. Let us put a stop shape.